Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Sara Lee Dutch apple pie. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need your pie, you're going to need a food thermometer, a fork, and a baking sheet, or if you don't have a baking sheet, take a few lengths of foil and fold them over or stack them on top of each other so that you can set your pie on top of it in the oven. And then we're also going to need some foil strips for the edge of the pie. This is an optional item, but it's best to have it on hand and ready just in case you need it. So the first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna go ahead and open up our pie. We're also going to take the wrapper off of our pie as well. And then they tell you to use your fork to break apart some of these pieces of streusel, some of the bigger ones, and distribute it evenly over your pie. So we're gonna do the best that we can with that. All right, so do your best with that. Some of the bigger chunks may not break apart, and that's fine. We're just gonna roll with it. Next thing you need to do is place your pie onto your baking sheet or foil. Now that we've got that done, we're gonna go ahead and pop this into our oven for 60 to 65 minutes or until the topping is an even golden brown. They also want you to check this about 45 minutes through cooking. And if the edges are getting a little bit too brown, we're gonna go ahead and cover them with our foil. So I'll check back with you in 45 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it's been about 45 minutes and my outer crust is definitely getting a little bit golden, so I want to prevent that from getting any more brown. So I'm going to take my strips of foil and we're just going to lightly cover the edge of this so that it doesn't burn. Be careful because your pie is going to be very, very hot. All right, after much finagling, I got that on, so just be careful and we're gonna place this back into our oven for about another 15 to 20 minutes. I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took for me. All right, guys, it has been right at 65 minutes and it looks like our pie is pretty much done. We're just gonna go ahead and definitely test the temperature just to make sure. We want it to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna test a couple different spots. All right, so perfect, that is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off our foil from the edges. And that's good. It looks like our edges did not burn at all. Now, if you plan on serving this warm, you want to cool this for about 45 minutes before you cut it. If you do plan on serving it a little bit on the cooler side, then let it cool down for 2 hours before cutting. So here's our completed Sara Lee Dutch apple pie. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.